Okay, I cooked these sweet potatoes. I put them on last night around 10 o'clock, and today is 10:30 in the morning. So I put them in half of a bag. Liner. I'm going to take them out. It's still hot, so I'm being careful. Now, I did put water in the bottom of this before I put the bag in. And like I said, I've cut this bag. So, sweet potatoes would be my breakfast. This is what I use. The Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners. These are the small size, and I still was able to cut this in half. Let me see. Okay, let me see how soft they are. I've already poked them a little while ago. Very soft. Okay. Put this aside. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I can't film myself right now. Okay, this is what I'm using. I'm going to use two things. I wasn't sure if one would be enough for 3 people. Papa Charlie's seasoned au jus, Italian style seasoned beef, and Ditka's. Okay, it's already cooked and seasoned. So I'm basically gonna still put it in my triple slow cooker because I'm anxious to use it. And I'm actually putting water down in the bottom like I did for the sweet potatoes. I'm putting water down here before I put in my slow cooker liner. A little more water. So some people do that. It helps flatten out the liner for one. Now if I was putting food directly in there, I wouldn't do this. Okay, so I'm going to put the liners in place. I'll be back. This is how the Mike Ditka's beef looks, and that's how full that is. And this is how the Papa Charlie's. Look how full this is. I actually think this is too much in this one container, but it filled it up completely. And they both cost the same. Maybe the quality of this one, the Ditka's is better. I don't know. I haven't tasted it. And I haven't tasted Papa Charlie. This boy is pinching me. Boy, stop. I don't know. I'm going to put some of this meat over here. And I'm going to put some potatoes in this area. I'm going to peel and slice some potatoes. Season each layer of potatoes and then fill this up. Okay. Okay, y'all. I separated the meat, so I got some of both meats on each side. I sliced up some bell peppers, some green bell peppers, and I sprinkled this Italian beef au jus seasoning mix. Even though the meat is already seasoned, I did it again. And I'm looking for my jardinera, so I can put some of that juice up in here, but I can't find it right now, so I'm going to cut these on so they can be warming. Now I'm going to put it on low. Okay, I close the lids. I'm going to turn them on low. It's on low. And what you don't want to do when you're using these liners, you don't want to tuck the liner up under the cooker so it looks better. No. Leave it out and just tuck it down as much as possible. And I was able to push this to lock this lid down with the liner. This one too. But do not tuck this bag. Years ago, I made this mistake of tucking the bag with a big liner, and it actually melted. So I had a time getting this plastic from underneath the liner. Oh, it still worked. but still, it didn't look good. So I'm gonna let this cook, and I'm gonna peel these potatoes so I can put in this section. Okay, y'all. I peeled and washed and sliced up my potatoes. This is about 7 medium-sized potatoes. So I'm going to oil them with some, I could use butter, but I'm going to use some avocado oil. I'm going to use some garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. I'm going to use my sunshine seasoning. No salt in here. And I'll be using some Italian seasonings. No salt in here. And extra pepper. Okay, I'm going to do this and I'll be back. Stop, boy. Okay, this is how the potatoes look. Okay, so I'll be back. Oh, it's been a little over 2 hours. I had it on high. First I started out with low. I said no. That's how that looks. This is the other meat with the bell pepper strips. And here's these potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna push it back. So I got it on warm right now. So I'm gonna push it back. Okay, I'm gonna eat mine with a knife and a fork. I got on this little bun. I can't find my jardinero peppers. I got some potatoes. They're soft. I got a lot of juice. I'm gonna taste this meat just a minute. Just tasted some of the meat. Oh my goodness. It's good. Of course I did put a little extra seasoning in it. I'm gonna taste my potatoes. Nice and soft. I couldn't pick this sandwich up if I tried. It's so juicy. So I'm gonna eat it with a knife and a fork. So, these flavors are there. So I want to thank you all for watching. I will be cooking more in my triple slow cooker. And this makes more, each little section makes more than enough food. I thought 2.5 quart was going to be little. It's not. So, I'm gone for real now. Bon appetit. Bye. This is Amber's